Hi children, today we are going to solve some more sums in banking recurring deposit account. This is the last video of this chapter. Okay, let us solve two more sums. First sum, Karthik opened a recurring deposit account with a nationalized bank for a period of 2 years. If the bank pays interest at the rate of 6% per annum and the monthly installment is rupees 1000, find the interest earned in 2 years maturity value. So in this question, Karthik is opened a RD in a nationalized bank for period 2 years. They pay the bank pay the interest the rate of 6%. He pay the monthly installment 1000. In this question, we have to find the interest for 2 years and the maturity value. Maturity value means finally the government provides some sums. Okay, in this, the given thing is monthly installment P equal to rupees 1000. Is paying monthly 1000. A number of months 2 years. So 2 into 1 year equal to 12 months. So 2 into 12 equal to 24. Rate of interest. The bank pays rate of interest is 6%. The first question they ask us to find the interest earned in 2 years. So interest is equal to, there is a formula P into N into N plus 1 by 2 into 12 into R by 100. Here we know the P value 1000 into 24 number of months, then 24 plus 1 by 2 into 12 into rate of interest R 6% is 6 by 100. Then here 1000 20 into 24 into 24 plus 1 25 divided by 2 into 12 24 into 6 by 100. Here we are multiplying 24 into 25, we get answer 600. So 1000 into 600 divided by 24 into 6 by 100. After cancelling, we get the answer 5 into 300. Multiplying 5 into 300, we get rupees 1500. So here the bank pay the interest in 2 years is rupees 1500. Then you have to find the maturity value. Maturity value, that is a formula P into N plus I. They are given the P value 1000. Then we know the number of months 24 plus interest. We already find out the interest 1500. While multiplying 1000 into 24, we get 24,000 plus 1500. After adding 24,000 plus 1500, we get the answer rupees 25,500. In this, we find the interest. The bank paid interest for 2 years is 1500 for Karthi, and at last he got the maturity value from the bank is rupees 25,500. Okay, second sum. Peter has a recurring deposit account in Punjab National Bank at Sadar Bazaar, Delhi for 4 years at 10% of rate. He will get rupees 6370 as interest on maturity. Find monthly installment, the maturity value of the account. That means in this they are paying, the Peter was started an account in Punjab. Her periodic time is 4 years and the rate of interest is 10%. The bank is paying rate of interest is 10%, and he get interest from the bank is at last, maturity means at last he get the interest is 6370 rupees. In this question, we have to find the monthly payment. How much Peter pay RD in month? Monthly wise per month, how much he paid? Then we have to find the maturity value also. At last, including principal amount, number of months and interest, how much amount he get from the last. Okay, we can solve the sums. First one, given monthly installment, we have to find the number of months. They are given 4 years. So 4 into 12, 12 means 1 year equal to 12 months. 4 into 12 equal to 48. Then interest they are given 6,370. Then rate of interest given 10%. In this question, first we are going to find monthly installment. For monthly installment, we are finding interest P into n plus 1 by 2 into 12 into r by 100. Here interest we know 6,370 equal to, we don't know the P value. That means monthly payment we don't know. So we put it as P into number of months 48 into 48 plus 1 by 2 into 12 into r 10 by 100. Here after adding 48 plus 1, 49. So P into 48 into 49 by 2 into 12, 24 into 10 by 100. After cancelling, and we get P into 49 by 5. Here we get 49 P by 5. So 49 P equal to, here 49 by 5, we are cross multiplying 6,370 into 5 equal to 49p. So 49p equal to, multiplying 6,370 into 5, we get the answer 31,850. Here p is equal to 31,850 divided by the 49 is interchange transfer to other side divided by 49. So P equal to 31,850 divided by 49. After dividing, we get the answer rupees 650. P equal to rupees 650. So monthly paid, installment paid for RD is rupees 650. Peter paid monthly installment is rupees 650. Okay, in the second question, they ask us to find the account. That means maturity value of the account. Totally, after 4 years, including interest, how much amount Peter get from the bank. We have to find that. So maturity value equal to P into N plus I. P equal to, we already find out P equal to 650. P equal to rupees 650 into number of months 48 plus I, already they are given in the question 6,370. After multiplying 650 into 48, we get 31,200. That means after multiplying 650 into 48, we get 31,200 plus 6,370. We are adding 31,200 plus 6,370. We get rupees 37,570. So at last, Peter got from the bank is rupees 37,570 rupees. I think you all understand the video. I understand the concept of banking. And we solve already some more sums. So solve these sums, practice, watch the video, subscribe the video, and share the video with your friends also. Thank you.